Well, everybody, welcome back to another video, and this is Marshall Studios Forever production here, you known as Marshall Fina. For first of all, tonight's video, this will be my last time using my Hoover Legacy Supreme, and this vacuum cleaner, I'm going to end up selling it to a vacuum collector who lives out in Bow and Arrow, Oklahoma. I'm selling this 1993's Hoover Legacy Supreme upright vacuum because I'm really tired of using it, and this vacuum is for sale, and I'm selling this for $60. And for first of all, I'm selling this vacuum for $60. And it has to be extra taxes to be paid on. And for first of all, I'm trying to get rid of some other vacuums I didn't really needed. And there's some other couple of vacuums are lightweight. I will be selling those as well too, and I will be selling my Auric and selling my my Electrolux and the Arius vacuum. This Arius vacuum would be sold. And for first of all, I have to end up selling 3 vacuums online on OfferUp. If you really wanted to buy my old vacuums, I might end up selling my Hoover Legacy Supreme for $60. You can pay $50 if you want to. I'm selling that green Hoover to a vacuum collector who lives out in Bow and Arrow, Oklahoma, named Christopher Reed. And also, I really needed to sell that vacuum to him, and I really needed to sell this. He really wanted it, and he's been looking for that machine for a year or so. For first of all, I'm going to give it to a friend. I'm going to sell it to a friend who lives out in Bow and Arrow, Oklahoma. And this vacuum would be sold to Christopher Reed. And Christopher Ring, okay? Also, I will be turning on the vacuum, okay? And you know what, everybody? I did put a new brush roll to it. And I bought the one. And also, this machine does sound like a Hoover Soften Light. And this machine has a good motor to it. And first of all, and this machine technically does sound like a Hoover Future Rat, okay? In 3, 2, 1, go. It's just my pants being a little shagged. Sorry about that. Also, you know what, everybody? This vacuum cleaner is for sale. And I will be selling this for $50, or I might sell it for 50, or could it be 60? And first of all, I'm trying to sell this vacuum cleaner for $50 on OfferUp, okay? Or Facebook Market. Guys, I have some other stuff I will be selling. And let me know if you want one of my Auric XL vacuum. I would be very happy to do that. I got tired of using an Auric, and I was mostly into older Bissells now. And first of all, I'm here to let you know I really wanted to end up getting a black Bissell Microlock 7 stages upright vacuum. I would do that, and I will find that this summer. And I'm here to let you know, if I ever find a Bissell Microlock or a Bissell Power Partner uprights, if I ever find the red Bissell Power Partner, if I ending up finding a green Bissell Power Partner 1000, if I ever find a blue one, or if I ending up finding a Bissell Power Groom 3000, was a hard body box, was an upright vacuum, I will let you know. And also the Bissell Microlock, I will be finding that in the black color. Might end up finding that vacuum at a thrift store, and I will let you know if I ever find these machines in a Singer vacuum. And more Eurekas, okay? Let me know on the comics what you like to see for a brand new Marshall Studios Forever video. I'll see you then.